Okay, guys, here we go again. It's been a little while. Just wanted to give you a real good look at this build. Lots of love and labor to get this radio to this level. I'm pretty proud of it. Good buddy of mine in Connecticut's going to be getting this, and it's got the jack for the freak counter. It's been fully converted on the VFO for transmit on 40. But yeah, thought you'd get a kick out of seeing the detail of this radio. Here we go to the dozy. 20-watt scale. Bam, bam. Watch me, watch me. Audio. One time, one time, one time. And that's the way it goes. Brega, brega. We'll go through the band. Yeah, Paul. Original D104 non-amplified with the original box and the book. Sideband has the open clarifier and works beautiful. Oh yeah, damn man. Oh yeah, look at that, 15 plus PEP on a dozy for sideband. Wow. You don't see that on a Tram very often. Well, if you rebuild them, you'll see it. But yeah, guys, thought you'd get a kick. Go to 9, activate the manual VFO. A lot of DX running right now. Yeah, this also has a smooth lighting LED feature. But yeah, the guy Paul, he's gonna really go nuts over this radio. I know I'll never duplicate it again. Take care, guys. See ya. Subscribe and give me some thumbs up.